Happy 4th of July, everybody, and how are we celebrating the 4th of July? Well, we're in Asheville, of course, and we're eating all-American food, right? No, we're eating Indian street food. Go Merica! So yeah, this place looked great, it smelled great, we circled around and decided to come back in. So yeah, it's Indian street food, and I'll let Jeremy explain what we're eating.
I have no idea. No, what we ordered a kind of an appetizer called Bombay chili cheese fries, and the chili is made out of lamb. It's just very spicy peppers and do. Our main course, we're having a red curry family style, where they're going to bring out the chicken and the rice, and we'll have all these sauces and everything. Maybe when we get to eat with our fingers, I don't know, we could channel our Mark Williams. Start scooping it out.
I did give us silverware, dear. So this place is like packed, and there's people waiting, and the most encouraging thing is that there's actually Indian people here eating, which is always a good thing when you try to eat something authentic. So we're very excited, and I'm glad that we can share with you guys. Our Bombay fries have arrived. They look scrumptious. They're the little matchbook potatoes. Let's eat. So what do you think, Jeremy? What do you think?
It's interesting. I like that. It's got very good flavors to it.
Yeah, it's good flavors. It's real spicy. Nice spice. It's really good. Alright, thumbs up for that. Alright, our curry's here. What do you think, Jeremy?
I don't know where we're
We don't know what we're doing. But it certainly looks good, so we're just going to dive in like a couple of ignorant people. Okay, so we're finished with our meal and we're walking back to the car. What'd you think, Jeremy?
That was very good. I think
really good.
I would like to have Indian food again. I'd be eager to try out a couple of the Knoxville places. Just say Sitar has been in Knoxville forever.
Yep.
I know. I'm so
Our biggest thing was we had great anxiety because we didn't know if we were eating it right. But we tried it and it was great. We really liked it. All right, off to the car. All right, we have made it back to Knoxville and we are here to see some fireworks. We're here at the church that I grew up in, my home church. And it is called City View, and it's a great way to look over the city. It gives you a view of the city. So that's what we're going to do. And I'll try to film some of the fireworks for you. Over there.
Perfect. You get a picture.
Yeah.